I was gifted a new crock pot. Let's make something and learn all about it. First of all, beautiful. So this has like a matte finish paint on it. On the handles, you have this plastic piece, which is nice for gripping and it's going to stay cool. And then this is my favorite part. So these little silicone pieces come off for you to wash it. And these are really nice because while this does get warm, it is going to keep you from burning your fingers. You also have the plastic on here so that when you lift this up, it's nice and easy. But here's the best part. I am so loving this. This part is not your traditional crock material. Look at that. It is nice and lightweight. This is super big. This is going to be so much easier to clean. I'm going to make some cabbage roll casserole. And so let's look at this first. So you turn it on right here, and then you have your different modes. So you have warm, high, and low. And then you have these buttons here where you can change the time, and then you press start, and there you go. It's heating up. All right, let's make the cabbage roll casserole and then see how this works. Okay, this is looking great. I do want to say, I thought maybe this might be too big, but even if you're making a normal portion of what you usually make in your slow cooker, it's perfect because you have lots of space to stir. And also I could have doubled what I usually make, which I love. Look how this does not stick at all. In all of my more traditional crock pots, I'm going to call them, with the ceramic insert, things really stick and nothing is sticking. This crock pot is incredible. When you are finished, you can put the lid in your dishwasher. I love how light it is, and I love that nothing is sticking. This can also go into the dishwasher. You need this 10-quart slow cooker. I have absolutely loved it, and I think you should check it out.